Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. I'm going to make my second video on seal installation and potential problems. We have been open for a very, very long time. And it's funny that in the last 6 months, we've had 2 clients tell us about them having trouble installing the seals in their rotors. So, that's about 2 out of something like 173,000 people or something like that. So anyway, a couple of them talked about maybe their seal didn't fit in here as snug as they wanted it to, and that they could pull it out or extract it or what have you. So in the real machine world, you've got these parts that are stamped out, and you've got rotors that are from different manufacturers, and whether it's spun at 50 degrees or 86 degrees, you have minute differences, and you can take anything to extremes, even a simple grease seal installation. Now, let's say we have something like this type right here. And let's say that when we attempt to put it in here, maybe it's not as snug as we would like it to be. I didn't say would it work. I said maybe it's not as snug as somebody's personal preference. Well, what we need to do is we need to increase the diameter slightly. You can take some pliers and alter the diameter of anything with a lip like this. If you work at it, easy 4 or 5 thousandths. And I guarantee you, normally what happens is you make the damn thing too tight. So, you see how easy that is to do with a pair of pliers, and we could move on and finish the project? Yes, it's simple. People tell me all the time, my old man and 2 uncles, they taught me more than the average folks growing up. On something like this right here where you can't change the lip, are you with me? And we want to alter the diameter. What's been used since the beginning of cars and engines is the peen method. Let's just say that you've got a sleeve or whatever that rotates, and a spun bearing right here, and it's not as tight as you want it to be, and blah blah blah. You can take a center punch, a normal center punch, and you can peen an object just like that. It formed a small crater with ridges, like a volcano. And it will give you the grab and the fit, the press fit or whatever that you need. 1, 2, 3, you can do as many as you want. Hell, you won't even be able to get the damn thing on with the press if you do too much. So, all this about not fitting and all that, most of these techniques are, I don't know, common sense in my world. So like in a rotor like this, which is just soft as butter, if you wanted to, you could peen the rotor. That fast. That's the solution. No drama, Q&D. I guarantee you that it'll be tight. Problem solved. Simple, easy, and no hassle. God bless you. God bless America. And make America strong. Bye.